Celestial pioneers, astral dreamweavers, and seekers of the cosmic unknown gather around as we embark on a journey that transcends the ordinary and flings open the gates to the astral realms. Have you ever stood beneath the cosmic tapestry of the night sky, captivated by the celestial choreography of love, yearning to decipher the cosmic symphony that guides the perfect partner into your cosmic orbit? Today, prepare to transcend the very limits of earthly existence as we embark on an intergalactic odyssey, navigating the cosmic intricacies of emotion and connection. The revelation we're on the brink of promises not just to realign the constellations, but to rewrite the very stardust of your existence. So, stargazers and cosmic wanderers alike, ready yourselves for an astral revelation that might just redefine the cosmic coordinates of your journey through the cosmos. Greetings, radiant souls, ethereal beings weaving through the cosmic currents. I am your dedicated celestial guide, stationed at the interstellar crossroads known as Power of Thought. Today, our transcendental expedition invites us to the beating heart of the human experience, relationships. Before we dive into the boundless astral depths of the science of love, if you're a newcomer to this cosmic haven, align your frequencies with ours by subscribing and tuning into the resonant melody of the cosmic notification bell. Together, we stand at the threshold of traversing dimensions that promise not only to metamorphosize, but to elevate the way you perceive and navigate the astral landscape of connection and love. During my recent cosmic sojourn in the enchanting landscapes of Australia, where the eucalyptus breeze carried whispers of cosmic wisdom from times immemorial, I found myself on a profound odyssey. Delving into the esoteric realms of neuroplasticity and epigenetics, my cosmic quest uncovered not only the secrets of the mind, but a prevailing theme, a cosmic yearning echoing through every soul. Not inquiries about the labyrinthine corridors of the mind, but a quest for soulmates and the elusive formula for an interstellar relationship. Love, that ethereal force intertwining galaxies and souls, refracts itself through prisms of infinite hues. It's a foundational cosmic need, refracted through the kaleidoscopic lens of sexuality, and woven into the cosmic fabric with threads of control and dominance. But what if, in the vast cosmic ballet of emotions, the cosmic secret to true love lay in the transformative act of becoming the cosmic counterpart you wish to attract? Prepare to traverse the boundless cosmic expanse as we unfurl the cosmic scrolls of a couple of transcendental relationship theories. Relationships, first and foremost, should not be cosmic battlegrounds. If you find yourself navigating cosmic quagmires, it's a cosmic signal that your compass needs recalibrating. Authentic connection is about bringing your cosmic essence to the celestial banquet, celebrating the intricate cosmic dance of life together, and fostering a cosmic synergy that propels both partners toward cosmic growth and celestial positive energy. But what if you find yourself not in your cosmic prime? The cosmic key lies in recognizing the cosmic moment to step back, to engage in cosmic reflection, to cosmic recalibrate, and then re-enter the cosmic relationship with a renewed and improved cosmic version of yourself. It's not about cosmic struggle, it's about fostering cosmic growth and evolution. Yet, amidst the cosmic yearning, there exists a universal cosmic longing, the desire for a loving relationship, an interstellar pursuit of happiness. Many engage in cosmic meditations to cultivate love within various cosmic connections, be they cosmic familial, cosmic friendly, or cosmic romantic. According to the cosmic principles of quantum physics, thoughts and feelings generate a cosmic electromagnetic signature that sculpts our cosmic reality. Here's the cosmic revelation. If you're not radiating cosmic love and positivity, there's no cosmic magnetic field to draw that ideal relationship toward your cosmic realm. It's not about pointing celestial fingers at external circumstances or cosmic entities. It's about taking cosmic responsibility for your energy and emotions. So how does one initiate this cosmic shift? It commences by consciously trading cosmic survival emotions for elevated cosmic vibrations. Your cosmic emotions, as products of your cosmic thoughts, wield astral power. By consciously choosing elevated emotions, you reshape your cosmic reality. It's a cosmic skill. Opening your cosmic heart, practicing cosmic love, and liberating yourself from the cosmic shackles of past conditioning. Speaking of cosmic conditioning, have you ever marveled at how memories, especially those imbued with cosmic emotions, can shape your present cosmic state? The cosmic body, being so objective, struggles to differentiate between a real cosmic experience and a fabricated cosmic illusion. Your cosmic thoughts, feelings, and memories gradually morph into a cosmic program, dictating your cosmic state and even influencing your cosmic well-being. As we stand at the cosmic crossroads of our journey together, I invite you to dive deeper into the cosmic conversation. Share your cosmic reflections, the cosmic epiphanies that have graced your celestial path. The comments section is a cosmic agora, a space where our collective wisdom converges. Your cosmic insights might be the guiding stars for someone navigating their own cosmic labyrinth. For those who have yet to tether their cosmic vessel to our celestial community, now is the time. Join our cosmic fellowship by subscribing and ringing that notification bell. This way, you'll be cosmic voyagers of the First Order, always attuned to the cosmic frequencies of our future celestial explorations. As we conclude this chapter of our cosmic odyssey, let's carry the cosmic energy we've cultivated today into our earthly endeavors. Spread the cosmic love, and let the cosmic ripple effect extend beyond the horizons of our virtual cosmos. Until our cosmic paths intersect once more, may your cosmic journey be filled with cosmic wonders, celestial growth, and an abundance of cosmic love. Thank you for embarking on this extended cosmic odyssey with me. If the astral revelations resonated with you, be the cosmic beacon for others. Share this cosmic journey with your fellow wanderers, and together, let's weave a tapestry of shared wisdom. Our community is a testament to the collective power of diverse cosmic experiences. Your cosmic stories, like stardust, contribute to the cosmic narrative we're co-creating. As we part ways for now, carry the cosmic light we've ignited into your cosmic spheres. May your cosmic journey continue to unfold with brilliance and wonder. Until our cosmic destinies align again, may the cosmic forces guide you, and may your hearts be ever attuned to the celestial symphony of love. Safe travels, cosmic friends, until we reunite under the boundless expanse of the cosmic canopy.